con la canción soltera. Se ve que ella no está puesta para el amor. Yeah, yeah. Pero eso cambiará cuando ella me vea acá.
Porque lo sepas.
Porque ella me ha cupido a pedirle un favor. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio me bese ya y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo, que la fluidez le gane al orgullo y que sea lo que tú quieras hacer. Repetiría una mil veces la noche que te vi. Sabía que era ese hombre que me hace reír y me hace creer que yo soy la mujer que se merece algo puro y no solo pa' comer. Y yo lo quiero, ya no va conmigo. Ya quiero ese hombre que me sepa amar, que además de novia también sea amigo. Sos justo, no veo qué casualidad. Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Se siente mágico solo al abrazarte. Tú has prendido esa llama que arde. Qué rico es tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Sé que de locos, pero yo te amo. Yo ya no sé ni decirte. Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio me bese ya y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo, que la fluidez le gane al orgullo y que sea lo que tú quieras hacer.
Es que todos tus amigos te dicen nada. Yo voy a llorar un río como maná. Baby, a ti te adoro y lo sabes bien. Y me aseguro no te dieran otra vez. No me digas que no. Es que el miedo lo jode. Lo que tú has sentido por mi bebé, yo pa' ti estoy. No puedo vivir sin eso, sin tus caricias y tus besos. Qué rico tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Se siente mágico solo al abrazarte. Tú has prendido esa llama que arde. Qué rico tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Sé que te loco, pero yo te amo. Yo ya no sé ni decirte.
Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que su labio me bese ya y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo, que la fluidez le gane al orgullo y que sea lo que tú quieras hacer.
Es que sé lo que tú quieres ser, mami. Tírame al día.
Okay, guys, we are very short on time right now. As you can see, everything that I did to the wig, I bleached the knots, shampooed it, blow dried it. I did put I had some leftover bleach when I was getting ready to wash the bow. There was still some bleach in there, so I ran through and did some little streaks in the top. So those came out cute. You can't see them right now. I cut the wig, curled the wig, Now we're getting ready to apply the wig. I already have 2 layers of this. This is the Eben Wonder Lace Bond. I already have 2 layers on. So now we are basically ready to apply. So I'm just going to do another layer. And then I'm going to dry that just a little bit on low. So guys, my overall opinion on this wig I think this wig was either $96 or $98, and it was a viral Tik Tok wig. My overall opinion on this wig is fire. Like, this wig is fire for what the price that you pay for it. It's a 26 inch. So now, y'all, I'm just gonna lay. This is how I do it. I lay it down into, and I must admit that I'm rushing a little bit today for sure. I am definitely rushing because I gotta go to work. But I had to finish my video. Gotta finish what you start. Okay, so let's lay that down into that. And I'm just gonna dry that. Y'all, I can see this thing up underneath here. This is wig grip. Now that's pissing me off because I don't have time to really fool with it right now. So I'm going to put this on to lay it down. And then I'm going to go and get dressed for work real quick. I just got to throw my clothes on and cut some of this lace out of my face. We're not going to cut it all off, just some of it out of my face. And then I will be back for us to finish the wig. Okay, guys, I'm all kind of frustrated right now. So hopefully this turns out all right. Didn't get to lay it down that long. And what I'm really mad about is that you can see that wig grip up there. So it's nothing I can do about it right now because I don't have time. So we're going to cut this lace. Cut the lace. If y'all only knew. I'm gonna end up telling y'all eventually. I'm trying to get it good back around my ear. And this little piece right here. So then that side looks good. And I like to spray a little bit on my finger and then just go right there on the edge. Y'all, everything looks good except for that wig grip. I'm pissed. Nothing I can do about it. When I have the time, y'all, we are continuously going to be talking about time on this channel, and the fact that I have none of it. But when I have the time, I am able to get this really good, which I didn't do a bad job, but it's that wig grip that's pissing me off. So I'm going to dry that a little bit, just that little bit I put around there. Y'all can see that line clear as day. Mad. Good thing I'm just going to work, and I'm probably going to end up putting a hat on anyway. But look at that hairline. Y'all see? That's the wig grip up there. I'm mad about it. I can't do nothing about it right now. But other than that, the wig looks good. I could go in and do something with my part. Yeah, I think I will. I'm gonna have to run back to the beauty shop real quick, and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, guys, I went and finished up the wig. I had to put some more curls in it because it wasn't, the curls did not stay. So the curls didn't stay good the first time. Overall, as far as my opinion on this wig, it's not a bad wig for the price. It actually came out cute. The hairline actually looks good if it wasn't for the fact that that wig grip right there, which is really pissing me off because, you know, I didn't see it. By the time I seen it, it was too late and I couldn't go back and fix it. So other than that, I feel like it looks good. And I mean, for $98, I mean, you can't beat that for $98. This is a 26 inch. It's every bit of 200 density. The hair is not real silky. The hair is not real silky like I normally like it. But, you know, for $98, I mean, what can you expect? So if you're just looking for a pretty decent wig that you can get quite a few nice little wears out of it, this is definitely a good buy for $98. I can't believe if it was 98 or 96. 26 inch, 220 density. The lace is clean. The lace is nice and invisible. The hairline is good. The hair, it bleaches well. It has some little few like little light brown pieces in here, but y'all can't really see it. So yeah, so that's all I have for you guys on this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, girl. And I will see you OG baddies on the next one. Deuces.